Hello DPS, we're going to do a just quick Chromebook use and sign-in review. Carry your Chromebook carefully, make sure you don't have any water or food near it. When you open it up, it should power right on, but remember if it doesn't, just wait a second, and if it still doesn't, use your power button up here to power it on. When you power it on, it'll be ready for your email address. Every Chromebook's a little bit different what happens when it turns on. This Chromebook is giving us this white box to sign in with if you're using your Clever Card, but you guys are using your email addresses today, so you're going to sign in with a different account. Sometimes it shows you a person's name. If that isn't your name, it's going to have an add person down here, so you'll add a person if it's not your name. But here we have this white box, so we have to sign in today. All right, it's asking for your email address. One of the bonuses on the Chromebook is it has the finishing part of your email address, the @egcsd.org. In the computer lab, remember, we have to type all of it out. I'm using Carmen's right now, so he has his last name, first two letters of his first name, and then the @ that's the email address. That's the address part. So you do the year you graduate, your last name, the first 6 letters of your last name. So Carmen, I'm not doing all of his last name. The first 2 letters of his first name, the letter 1, and @egcsd.org. Our email is something that we use, and then we do our passwords, which are private, which we're not going to tell anybody because this is private information. We don't use other people's information when we sign in. That's part of our Google digital citizenship. All right, so enter your email and then your password, and you're all signed in. Big thing to remember on your Chromebook, you stop at the 1, in the computer lab all the way to the end. When your page pops up, whenever you have this choice, you're going to log in with Google. We have Google email addresses that our school provides for us. So whenever that pops up, always choose login with Google. Find your name. Thanks, Carmen, for letting us borrow. And then on our Chromebooks here at East Greenbush, we have 3 tabs that open up. We have this Clever portal, the East Greenbush School District, where we could go to DPS and our teacher pages or the library, and also your Google page. So if you're doing something in classroom, you'd go to that 3rd tab, to your Waffle, and you can access your apps in your suite in your Waffle here. All right, so 3 tabs. I want to talk a little bit about this Clever portal. These are links to databases and websites that our district has access to, where we already have an automatic login to it. There's PebbleGo, where you'll log in automatically. I want to show you there's a super cool thing on here that they changed a little bit. They have a different look, and this year they have what's called a question of the day that they're changing. Kids all over the world are voting on these questions of the days. Which artist do you like the most? Ooh, we have Dr. Seuss, Eric Carle, Frida Kahlo, Leonardo da Vinci. Another tough choice. It says, look, polls updated hourly. So at the end of the day, you could see around the world what kids decided. Let's see where we're at. Dr. Seuss in a landslide right now. So that's kind of cool. It's in for every category. Remember, for your tabs, you close them at the X, go to the center to open that tab. Back to our Clever portal, Typing Club is here. You'll be automatically logged in again. Click on it, sign in with Google, and you're good to go. Your name should be up in the corner. If it's not, log out and get it to where you need to be. Back to our Clever portal. Reflex Math is an awesome new math program our district has signed us up for that you'll be learning about from your teachers. We also have BrainPop and BrainPop Junior that we have access to. And if you watch, it comes in, you have a dashboard. Teachers might give you assignments, and those would be found here on your dashboard through BrainPop and BrainPop Junior. So these are all things that you find right away on that first tab in your Clever portal. I'm trying to find a little bit more about Sphero EDU for you guys, but that part's coming, and your teachers might give you different assignments, or I might in the library here. So enjoy, be responsible, be a good digital citizenship, and we'll talk more later.